Hi students, this is Venkatagiri sir. Today I will teach the second chapter, trigonometrical identity. Already you have acquainted with the trigonometrical ratio which were completed in a 9th class. The trigonometrical ratios are sin theta, cosec theta, cos theta, sec theta, tan theta and cot theta. Theta is an acute angle. And also you know that one, what is the relation between the trigonometrical ratios? Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Therefore sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta. Therefore cosec theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Therefore tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Now we will learn the new formula. There are some new formulas are there, that is called the square relations of the trigonometrical ratios. Right, already we know that is a formula, that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, where theta is acute angle. So if cos square theta, if we will take to the right side, then 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. This will form as a new identity. Similarly, if sin square theta, if you are taking to the right side, then 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Therefore, from 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From there we are deriving two more formulas. And another one, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. If we are taking 1 is a right side, therefore sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. This one is the new identity. Now if we are taking the tan square theta is on a right side, then sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This one is the another identity or formula. The next, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So from this one we are deriving another one formula, that is cos square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. By using these identities, we have to solve the trigonometrical problems. Now the trigonometrically proves there will be a two sides they are giving. One is the left side and another one is the right side. We will take to the left side and bring to the right side. That means we have to prove to the right hand side. So now by using these formulas or the identities, we will solve the question number 1 from the exercise. Question is given cosec A plus 1 by cosec A minus 1. So here cos minus 1. Now you know that one, that cosec A is 1 by sin A. So we are substituting that formula, plus 1 divided by cosec A, that is given, that one is, and also we will write 1 by sin A minus 1. Now we will take the LCM sin A. So after taking the LCM, we will get 1 plus sin A by sin A, and the denominator also we will take the LCM. So 1 minus sin A by sin A we are getting. So now reciprocaling that one, 1 plus sin A by sin A into sin A by 1 minus sin A. Sin A cancel. Now it will be remaining that 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, that is equal to RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. This we are using. Similarly, another question we will take that one. Question number 4. Question number 4. That is, in a left hand side it is given 1 by tan A plus cot A is equal to cos A into sin A. That is right side given. Now we will take the left hand side. So right hand side it is given sin A and the cos A. Therefore in a left hand side also we will convert the sin and cos, we will write that one. So tan A is equal to, we know that one, sin A by cos A, plus cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Now 1 by, we will take the LCM cos A and sin A, that is equal to sin square A plus cos square A. Now we substitute this formula, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now we substitute that one here. Therefore 1 by cos A into sin A. After reciprocaling we are getting cos A into sin A, which is RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, another one more questions we will take. Exercise 15, problem number 15. That is, tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 is equal to sec square A into cosec square A. Now it is in tan and the cot given, in the right hand side sec and cosec is given. So tan and cot we will use in term of a sec and cosec. Therefore tan square A is equal to, we can write the formula, that is sec square A minus 1 plus cosec square A minus 1 plus 2. Now sec square A plus cosec square A minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. Both are cancelled. So now it is remaining sec square A plus cosec square A. Now we will take into the reciprocal. 1 by cosec sec square A is equal to 1 by cos square A plus cosec square A is equal to 1 by sin square A. Now take the LCM. So we are getting cosec square A, cos square A, sin square A, LCM. Now sin square A plus cos square A by cos square A into sin square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We substitute that formula. Now we are getting 1 by cos square A into sin square A. That can be, we can write it 1 by cos square A into 1 by sin square A. That is equal to sec square A into cosec square A, which is a right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Similarly, some other formulas also we can be used. That is a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and another one a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third one is a square minus b square formula. That can also be used here in a trigonometrical as identities. That one, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now using these all the trigonometrically identities, solve the remaining all other problems and try to solve it If any problem, doubts, you can ask in a website. Thank you.